Hello guys, welcome to DFO community. In today's video, we're going to show you how to open a wallet with Metamask so that you can start building on your crypto portfolio. Stay with us. The reason we're showing you Metamask is because we find that it's a very user-friendly, credible and secure platform, but please be aware that we're not associated with Metamask in any shape or form, nor we do endorse them. The first thing you want to do is to go on to metamask.io on your browser, and that's going to take you to the homepage where you can read information about the platform. Please make sure you do all your research, as you might as well find a different wallet that is more suitable for your needs. You're going to press download. It's going to take you to this page. Please make sure you are selecting the version for your PC or computer you're using, and then click on Install Metamask for Chrome. Once you're in here, it's going to prompt you to add it onto Chrome. And once you do that, you're going to get this pop-up asking you to add the extension. Once downloaded, you're going to come to this page where you can get started by pressing the blue button. At this point, you've got two choices. If you're a brand new user, you want to go on Create Wallet. Here there are some terms and conditions for you to accept. If you're happy to go ahead, press on I agree. And now you're just going to have to create a password, minimum 8 characters long, confirm it, agree to the terms and condition box, and then press on create. Now you will be taken to the secret backup phrase section, which is extremely important. As I said here on the page, your secret backup phrase makes it easy to backup and restore your account. Warning, never disclose your backup phrase. Anyone with this phrase can take your ether forever. Be aware that once the secret words appear, you will have to keep them extremely safe. If you do lose them, you will not ever going to be able to have access to your wallet. So please write them down, save them, whatever is safest for you. If you're happy to go ahead and you're ready, just click on the reveal secret word. You're gonna get a secret series of random words here that you want to make a note of, and once you have, you're going to press on next. Now that you've made a note of your 12 unique phrases, you're going to be asked to reinsert them in the exact same order combination that they were given to you. We've obviously obscured them in this section of the video for our personal security reasons. We have now inserted the words in the exact order combination. Our confirm box popped up and we can go ahead. And there you go guys, congratulations, you've now set up your MetaMask wallet. So just click on the all done button and then you are going to be ready to go with using MetaMask. And this box is now telling you that you're ready to start swapping, which is a way for you to switch your Ethereum into any other tokens using one of the swapping platform displayed there. Your Ethereums, of course, you will have to buy in the first place, but we're going to show you in another video on how to do that and how to get started swapping. You've now directly been taken to the swapping platform itself, where you can select which token you would like to swap. It all begins with Ethereum. Because we haven't got any Ethereum yet, you will see $0 value. So the first thing you're going to have to do is to buy them. So for the purpose of now, we're going to press on cancel. And we're going to take you to what your wallet actually looks like. You now have your wallet address at the top, right below account 1. It's a shortened version, which you can copy to your clipboard if you want. You can see the total amount of Ethereum and the USD equivalent dollar value, which you will change as soon as you start purchasing some. You then have 3 buttons below that: buy, send and swap. The buy button will give you 2 options on how you can purchase Ethereum, either via wire transfer or by deposit. The send button is going to take you to a section where you can manually type or copy paste an address wallet that somebody else has given you so that you can send tokens to them. And finally, the swap button is taking you to the swapping platform itself, which we're going to show you in more depth in the next video. Now that you have installed your MetaMask wallet, you're ready to go for your crypto journey. So stay tuned with us for the next video where we're going to show you how to use the swapping functionality. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please continue to follow us at DFO Community, and thank you very much for staying tuned.